Shin is the name of this 5-stroke sign.
Lightning like sunlight streaming down by design.
First tate, short downstroke on the left.
Kagi a corner right, then down is next.
Then yokobo ni
Hon, 2 cross strokes complete. He, the sun.
Last tate nagaku passes through it.
From top to bottom,
as lightning strikes the earth and connects.
one humbly conveys with due respect. Shin is the only you'll hear.
In words for statements bold, direct, clear.
Shinkoku,
Report, declaration,
shinsei,
application, petition.
toshin,
A response to an inquiry.
naishin,
Confidential reporting.
joshin,
A report to a superior.
tsuishin.
A postscript after a letter.
The kunstem you will hear is more.
Most to humbly say or to go by.
Raise the respect with moshiageru.
One moshiwake.
It's the excuse you supply
Moshiwake nai.
when you are deeply sorry.
Leaving you completely without an excuse.
To apply or sign up, use moshikomu.
And moshikomi.
It's the application you use.
To offer or propose, you say.
Moshideru.
And moshide, the offer you choose or refuse.ご挨拶が遅くなってしまい大変申し訳ありません。よし、これで行こう。
遅くなったなんてパパ怒ってないし、ただ会えるの楽しみにしてるよ。
わかってる。でも頭を下げるなら言葉も一緒に下げてこそ誠意が伝わるからな。
そっか、じゃあ行こう。
I am deeply sorry that it has taken me this long to come and introduce myself. Alright, let's go with that.
Dad isn't upset about the timing at all. He's honestly just really looking forward to meeting you.
I know, but when you bow, your words must bow with you. That's how sincerity shows. Alright, let's go.
Shin, the on and more, the kunstem. 遅くなったなんてパパ怒ってないし。
申し訳ありません。
Still needs to be said.
Sincerity
Shines like the sun with deep humility. Shin,